Benagil Caves are in Algarve, south of Portugal. To visit them, you can easily find boats departing from various beaches across the Algarve coast, which gives you the flexibility to choose where you start your trip from. We decided to take a boat trip to the caves in August this year from the beach of Armação de Pêra.
The trip was 1 hour long, and we paid roughly €20 per person to explore some secret caves and wild beaches, access to most of which was only via sea. The small boat had a capacity of 10 people, making it difficult to practice social distancing. But we were relieved because everyone was wearing a face covering during the trip.
Enjoy your view of the rocky cliffs and this beautiful formation locally called the Yellow Submarine. Each cave is just like a snowflake, so very different from the previous one.
One of our favorite caves was this open sky cave. Each cave is full of surprises. The one here had a hidden tunnel to paradise.
If you are a fan of clear turquoise waters or beautiful blue skies, then this one is for you.
On the right, you see the Marina Beach, which is considered among the 10 most beautiful beaches in Europe and among top 100 in the world.
As you can see, you can also take a kayak to the Benagil Caves. You may swim too, but at your own risk.
This was my Titanic moment. Are we gonna hit it? Well, we were lucky, we made it.
I was just scared we were going to hit the rocks, but these guys were pros. And this is what you've been waiting for, the Benagil Caves.
Unfortunately, you are not allowed to get off the boat. As you can see, you have big boats too. But then you won't get to explore the secret caves.
Algarve gets very hot during summers, so we recommend a boat trip during evening hours. Hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe.